Jonathan and Jennifer knew my combination, even though I tried to keep it a secret as we came and went from school each day. They weren't shy about telling me how my outfits clashed either, or how I mispronounced my L's when I said the word yellow. They always beat me at Nintendo. They had their own tapes of the songs that played at the roller rink. Jonathan, the younger brother, used to make fun of my friend Mitchell Putterball, who obviously had it bad enough. Jennifer, the older sister, didn't hesitate to smother me with advice. We had the sort of friendship you might expect when two people know a secret the third one doesn't, and that secret is about him. When I think back on my family's 5 years in Florida, I remember the thickness of the place. Grass dense and sharp enough to cut my feet. The armies of fire ants my little sister hadn't yet learned to avoid. Hot air so humid I'd spend afternoons beet red. On one of those afternoons, Jonathan and I were heading to his place. They had better toys and were allowed to watch The Simpsons. Somewhere between the cul-de-sacs, he turned to me with a look that was both cruel and casual. Your parents had a baby before you, and he died. I don't envy my folks the awkward situation his parents' indiscretion forced us into. How do you tell the 7-year-old about the would-have-been 10-year-old? How could Kyle Matthew ever understand what Matthew Allen's life had meant to them? But standing there with Jonathan, voice catching in my throat, I envied all the usual things.